BMW versus Aston Martin. A comparative review overview. When comparing BMW and Aston Martin, you're essentially juxtaposing two philosophies of automotive engineering. BMW represents precision, reliability, and advanced technology, often catering to those who value a blend of luxury and everyday usability. Aston Martin, on the other hand, is synonymous with British elegance, exclusivity, and a focus on delivering a visceral driving experience. Here's a breakdown to help you decide which brand aligns better with your needs. Performance. BMW excels in offering a wide range of performance options. Whether it's the electric X, the sporty M3, or the luxury 7 Series, BMW strikes a balance between power, handling, and efficiency. Their inline-6 engines and M-Series tuning are celebrated for precision and performance. BMWs are more about delivering an all-rounder experience with daily practicality. Aston Martin focuses on raw, heart-pounding performance. The V8 and V12 engines produce a deep, guttural roar, delivering a sense of occasion every time you hit the throttle. Their vehicles are more about grand touring GT performance, combining speed with refinement. Aston Martin isn't designed to prioritize efficiency or everyday usability. It's a brand for enthusiasts seeking a unique experience. Price and value. BMW offers a broader range of models at various price points, making it more accessible. The brand also retains a good balance of luxury and practicality, offering a strong value proposition in the premium segment. Maintenance and ownership costs, while not cheap, are more predictable. Aston Martins come at a premium, with limited production numbers ensuring exclusivity. However, ownership costs, maintenance, insurance, fuel are significantly higher. This brand is about making a statement rather than value for money. Verdict: choose BMW if you're seeking cutting-edge technology, everyday usability, and a brand that balances luxury with performance. BMW is ideal for someone who values reliability, practicality, and modern engineering. Choose Aston Martin if you prioritize exclusivity, timeless design, and a driving experience that feels less about efficiency and more about passion. Aston Martin is for the enthusiast who values emotional connection over everyday convenience. Both brands excel in their niches, but the choice ultimately depends on whether you prefer a polished, versatile experience BMW or an extravagant, heart-driven one. Aston Martin.